Chop up the soul, Kanye. Set on his goals, Kanye. I hate the new Kanye. The bad.
You know how David Dobrik has the guys with clothes on? Yeah. We could be girls in car.
Let me get it.
Okay, so we just got to Keswick and we're picking up Jezebel. It's giving me this weird feeling, kind of like. I also have a weird feeling. What does yours feel like? Kind of like I want to fuck my cousin. Yes. It's this one with the stairs. They all have stairs. Jesser! Go ready, Simona?
I'm good as a poor man's steam.
Time to live it like a blind man. I've been down to the bottom of every bottle.
Can you believe that we got stood up on our double date? And your glass is already empty.
No, it's clear wine.
I meant you were drinking because like they stood us up.
Oh my god, yes.
There you are.
I'm sorry, I'm stop it. It's an airplane. Okay, one more bite. We do one of those like True Hollywood stories where you talk about a murder I was involved in.
Yeah.
When I was once a young boy, I decided that. Oh, it's you guys again.
Yes, we're not living with Simona, right? Oh god. What happened? Are you guys okay?
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go change really quick. Don't look.
Okay. Good thing you have like a changing curtain because like can't see anything. Julia, do you shop at IKEA? Did you buy your outfit at IKEA? Yeah. Julia, you can't shop at IKEA.
So that I could take it.
They don't sell clothes, Julia.
I said I could take it.
You could steal it. Mona, you get one toy. What do you?
This is not a bed.
Okay.
There's a woman over there.
The armoire.
Can't do there.
Jess? Get the fucking twinkly lights. Look at these.
These anal beads. I was doing anything. Because I had Simona. Oh wait, where did I park this? Over here. Park right here. No, right there. No, right there. No.
You look so majestic, Jezebel.
There's big finish. That was awesome, guys. Great performance. We got it all on tape. Okay, Jess, why don't you tell us about life in Keswick?
Out there in Keswick.
How many times have you...
I milk the cows every morning. 6 a.m. You just gotta get that. Don't forget the udders. The back udder.
Mini haul, everybody, for Caitlin's vlog.
Yeah,
so,
mini haul,
okay, wait. So we bought 2 racks. Jess and Caitlin bought racks. We bought 2 rugs, and then the most important purchase of the day. His name is...
We don't know.
Undecided.
Let's leave him unnamed.
Right off into the sunset.
Okay, everybody.
Let's lock her out. Go. It's not. Guys. Lock it. Lock it again. Okay, we're about to do a really quick unboxing for all of you. Julia's doing it right now. Let me just show you.
This is my vlog. Can you let me narrate? Oh wait, we need music.
Yeah.
Whatever is on the radio. Okay.
The lights off.
Ellie's born! Honestly, him like doing a Shakira impression is like a Spanish Celine Dion. Now she's back in.